Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this. This is the RCA to HDMI computer cable. And as with all my purchases, I just like doing these unboxing videos to remember things I bought in the past, and in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item, they can get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So it's a thank you card, a little instruction manual pull out. Hopefully you can see this. So what exactly do you use this for? I'm sure there's different purposes. What I'm planning on doing is I'm going to try and hook up my old Sony PlayStation 2 to my computer. And what I need is, I've got the RCA cable from my PlayStation 2, but I need to be able to plug it into something that will connect to my computer, and that's what I'm going to be doing with this. So a couple different things with here. You've got your RCA ports over here, then you've got an HDMI port here, and then all this USB cable is that they're giving you is to power the unit on. You're going to plug that in here. Looks like there's two different options, 720p or 1080p, so depending on what you're wanting to record in or broadcast in, you'll just put that appropriate. They give you the cord, they give you the little box in the instruction manual, and that's about it. So anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.